the view of the ocean.
Again?
Yes, of course.
Again?
Yes. Hot? Very hot? Very hot here in Zambales. Look at the view. Very beautiful. Oh. But very hot. We're going to island hopping. Happy hopping. Wow. Look at the ocean. Very beautiful. And the mountain. And the boat. Yes, mountain. The boat. Ocean. And the sand. Very beautiful. Very relaxing. But yes. Mountain.
What's that?
Kuha ka shell, hanap ka ng shell. Hanap ka ng shell. Lulubog ka dito. 1 2. Oh, pagkatatalon dyan ha, naglilinis si kuya. Bawal maligo. Doon tayo, kunin mo yung tsinelas mo doon, suot natin. Hey, get mo yung tsinelas mo doon, no? Ay, dyan ka lang, dyan. Tayo ka dyan. Dahil, tira ka ng mountain. Smile! Smile ka dito, dali. Hey, Papa. Paano smile? Paano smile? 1, 2, smile. Ay, ayos naman, picture naman, dali.